Hello.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade Bikole. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So by the title you already know what today is all about. So I'm going to be giving you guys a room and facility tour of EPE Resort and Spa. If you did not know, EPE Resort and Spa is here in EPE, Lagos. EPE is kind of after Aja, then you pass Lakwe, then you pass Ibeju, Lekki before you get to EPE. So it's quite a distance. From Lekki phase 1, you have good 2 hours to get here, and some parts of the road is bad. So if you are coming from Lekki 1, just know you're in for, just zero in your mind that you're traveling, because it's a journey. And it's pretty easy to find. Just put EPE Resort on Google Map and then you'll be able to navigate this place very easily. That was how I found this place also. And you can drive here, which is, you know, a good thing. So right now I'm just going to take you through the hotel tour, the facility tour, and I'll be chipping in things here and there at different points of the video.
Hello.
Alright, so once you enter, this is where you're faced with a nice clean bed and room. On the opposite side, you have the window that overlooks a lush garden. And I'm highlighting the ceiling just because I love the simple decor on the ceiling. Right there on the table is a mirror that, you know, opens up for you to do your makeup and whatever it is you want to do with a mirror. Yes, you are given tea every morning and 2 bottles of water, you know, just as a complimentary service. We have a bedside table here, bedside lamp, and a tiny window just by the side of the table, bed, where you can, you know, also look at the garden. Like every hotel or every resort, this comes with a TV, a mini fridge, and more wardrobe space. And then moving on to the main wardrobe, this is what it looks like. It's like floor to ceiling. I love it. It has really nice space for you to put if you're going to be there for like 2 weeks. Don't worry, this wardrobe has got you, because it has enough wardrobe space. Enough. Did I say it had wardrobe space? Yes, plenty. Moving on to the toilet and bathroom, you have a toilet and bathroom, like 2 together. Nice shower. I don't know, that's like normal stuff. But I like the fittings here. The fittings are so modern and very, you know, chic. It's not one of those old regular ones you see in most Lagos hotels. And of course, all the complimentary shower cap, body lotion, body bath, and all that. And that's me. Yay! I'm just showing you more weird stuff. And more weird stuff. Okay, the toilet. I mean, you know how a toilet looks, so that's it. Alright, so moving on now to the resort facilities. You have a really nice, lush resort. It comprises of 30 rooms divided into 3 cadres. The superior garden room, which was what you just saw, for 34k, the deluxe room for 42,000 naira, and the luxury garden suite for 48,000 naira. It also has ample parking space for you to park your cars and whatnot. So this is the pool. As at the time we got there, it wasn't clean, but then the next day it was clean enough for me to swim. But I got there on a Friday, so it was just a bit dirty. But yeah, this is the pool. It's a nice, pool for you and your family. I think the deepest side is 5 feet, deep, and then the shallow side is 3. So kids can go in, but they have to be very supervised. And this is me being a fish and swimming. All right, you also have a lawn tennis court. It's really pretty and very, very big. At the resort, you also have bikes that you can ride for kids and for adults. There is also a conference room for like when you have office retreats and things like that. The internet was very slow. In short, I didn't enjoy the internet all through my stay there. It was really slow, like it didn't work. Why am I even saying slow? So this is the restaurant where you're served breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is complimentary. Lunch and dinner you have to buy. I think it's like 7,000 naira per person. But then for breakfast, they serve an array of local and continental dishes, which I really did not enjoy. To be honest with you, I did not enjoy my breakfast at all. And then this is the fruits table and like French toast and cake and things like that. But yeah, that is that about the room and facility to at EPE Resort. So real life Lade, over to you.
All right, so finding a place to eat here is not so difficult. I mean, this place is not so far off, civilization or activity. Almost adjacent to EPE Resort, there is a restaurant called Ontario Food Place, and they have really good food for affordable price, and is really nice, tasty food. So you can always leave the resort to buy things and then come back. Only thing is that you can't eat whatever you bought outside of the resort in the restaurant or at the rooftop bar. EPE Resort also has a spa facility, which I actually never used. I actually regret the fact that I did not use it, but yes, they do. They have, the only thing they don't have here is a gym. They have a swimming pool, they have tennis courts, they have a volleyball court, and things like that. So they also have a mini mart that you can access. Actually, you can just call them and then they'll bring things for you. There is no actual shop like the one at Ibom Golf Resort. So there is no like actual shop, but if you call them, they can bring things for you. Like sanitary pad is 1,000 naira here, cotton bud 200, Pringles 500, toothpaste 600, shaving stick 200. I'm reading from a paper, sorry, I'm looking down. Toothbrush 400 naira. Left to me, I would say bring your things from your house because these prices here are expensive. Alright, so thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's very important. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell just by the side of the subscription button, so you are always reminded anytime I have a new upload or a new video, because you don't want to be sleeping with my videos, sis. Alright, till next time. Bye.